last week, Portland police resumed using tear gas on protesters in residential neighborhoods of North Portland, Oregon. Tear gas, also known as CS gas, is a substance created specifically to irritate cells and activate pain receptors, leading to intense burning pain in the eyes, throat, lungs, skin, and mucous membranes. It was found so dangerous and inhumane that its wartime use was completely banned by the Geneva Convention in 1925. Yet it has been routinely and excessively used on protests focused on criminal justice and police brutality in the United States. Despite Governor Brown's orders limiting use of tear gas to situations where public or law enforcement officers are at risk, PPB classified the recent peaceful protest as a riot, allowing them to circumvent the ban and fire this hazardous substance on protesters marching on residential streets, where it also posed a severe risk to people inside their homes. Don't Shoot PDX has filed a lawsuit claiming the city of Portland was in contempt for violating the restraining order, and we need all of our voices heard. Were you assaulted or pepper sprayed during the George Floyd protests in Portland, Oregon? Are you willing to speak with our legal team? Leave your name and email at the following link and we will contact you. Join us in our lawsuit to make sure this dangerous chemical is forever banned from use on civilians fighting racial injustice in Portland.